In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money from 1xBet in Bangladesh. So it will be very simple to do. Firstly, you will just come and click on register up here. Then by clicking on it, you will choose the option from mail by putting all your information possibly. And by putting your information, you will come at the level of code here where you will click and you will select and type in the search bar the country Bangladesh, where you will validate and put your phone number from Bangladesh. Then by scrolling down again, you will just pass to the promo code and you will type the promo code BOTV, whereby it will help you to get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit of transaction, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will perceive and receive up to $30, and you will just register by confirming everything as the rules of 1xBet. And then by coming out here, you will just come and connect, and by connect to your account, you will select an event of match. For example, by selecting this match, Paris Saint-Germain versus Manchester City. Then if you are sure at 100% of your bet, for example, if I click V1, which means the win of Paris Saint-Germain, and you put down the amount, the specific amount that you want to bet, and by putting it and adding the promo code, you will just bet normally, as easy as that.